Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group YouTube channel. My name is Michael Edward Paranati, and I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. In case you didn't know, we were Benzinga FinTech Awards finalists last year for Best Data Analysis Tool, and we're currently the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university-level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools and live workshops with individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We day trade, we swing trade. We also cover long-term investing. There's something for everybody at True Trading Group. Now, why should you listen to anything it is we discuss on this channel? It's because I did not figure this out by watching YouTube videos or sitting in Discord chats. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City. It's my first job right out of college. They had me go through a training program before they ever let me touch $1 of the fund's money. And then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession, the big stock market crash. But it's also the same year I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. You fast forward now, and I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG, along with my team of 8 other professional full-time trading moderators that share their screens with you, that are on the microphone communicating with you each and every single day, from pre-market to the close, that call out our trades, tell you where our orders are, and you get the real-time notifications when our orders actually execute. We are with you every single day. So myself and those 8 other professional trading moderators and a 30-person staff have helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals. The TGG community is 10,000 members strong from 115 different countries. The moderators and I collectively as a group have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80% now, going on roughly the last 4 years. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, if you're new to the channel, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Make sure you never miss out on any of these lives. Well, this isn't a live stream. This is actually a recap, but I go live on this YouTube channel, usually around 5-6 days a week. I'm making a quick video recap for you guys here now. I was a little busy today. I wasn't able to do a live stream today, but we're doing this little video recap. This video that we're going to talk to you guys about, I want to lay out for you a very specific trade idea that I'm probably going to be entering tomorrow. I've traded this stock now 3 times in the last 2 to 3 weeks, have been green on all 3 of those trades, but tomorrow could be possibly the biggest of those 3 trades. And I want to share this idea with you. If I'm right, fantastic. I'll come back on this YouTube channel in the next couple of days and say, boom, yeah, great, congratulations. And if I'm wrong, it's right here for you guys all to see. I don't think that I'm the world's greatest trader. I don't have a 100% win rate, right? I do have red trades. I do have red days. I am human, but I'm right a hell of a lot more than I'm wrong. And the one thing that we do on this channel is I come out and I put my neck on the line. I don't just tell you what happened earlier today. I know this is a recap video, but I'm going to tell you a trade idea for tomorrow. And then we can see if I'm right about it. I also want to share with you some analysis that I have in the long-term portfolio, what my thoughts are on a trend possibly going into 2025 that I want to discuss with you. So that's the game plan here today. First, let's talk about that trade idea, how you guys can make money this week. It's CrowdStrike. Now, I have been trading CrowdStrike for the last couple of weeks here, ever since the news came out about them being included into the S&P 500. We were able to capitalize on this long. We made money. We made money here. We made money here. I just kept buying the dips on CrowdStrike, but we just weren't able to take out the all-time highs yet. So I kept just kind of, taking my profit, and then I'll get back in and reload the position. Here's that flat top resistance on CrowdStrike. That's your all-time high. And that, my friends, is the level that I think we're going to take out here tomorrow. I love the candle that the stock put in here today. We came in here and we tested this 380 support level. Okay. The support level had been in play here for the last couple of days. We pierced it early. I'll just draw a line across this level. I'm going to go to a 3-minute chart just so you guys can see it more clearly. And here you guys can see this level. You know what? Let's go to a 15-minute chart. It's even easier for you guys to see on a 15-minute chart, right? You can see support here. Then I'll take you guys down one more here to 378. And that's your support zone. Support levels are zones. They're not finite prices. And you can see support 378, support, and then here it is at 380. Okay, this is actually the low of the day, the 26th, the low of the day, the 27th, and the low of the day there. Let me delete this. I didn't mean to put that arrow there. So here you have low of the day here, the 25th, low of the day here on the 26th, low of the day here on the 27th. That's 380. That's the top part of your support level. But here you have support at 378. So 378 to 380, that $2 window becomes your support zone. Well, today You dropped right into that support zone and reversed out of it. This price action reversing off of this support zone confirms that support level. It tells me that buyers have now stepped up and are forming a higher low. So let's go back and look at where was previous support. Previous support was down here around 370. Now, this is when the stock announced, when the company announced that, well, it was announced, the company was being added to the S&P 500. And you can see support there at 370. And then you drop there on the 21st, support. So that's where your buyers really sat. Well, now we can see from this price action that those buyers have now stepped up to this area. Okay. So now the buyers are moving higher and your sellers have not come lower. So it's very obvious that your sellers are still up here in these low 390s, but yet your buyers are now stepping up. So what we're going to look for here is a breakout of that resistance level, and we're going to look for CrowdStrike to get over 400. My target is 400. I want to be getting long in the 390s. I want to be taking profit at 400, and then I want to hold on to some of that position and see if we can get some follow through. So we're going to look for a candle tomorrow that will look something like this. And then I think we can look for maybe a little bit more follow through, and we can get maybe CrowdStrike to get us towards maybe, I don't know, maybe 403, 404, somewhere in that region. And that I think could be a very nice trade for us. Again, I've traded this stock now 3 times in the last 3 weeks. I basically traded it once a week for the last 3 weeks since that news came out there in early June. And again, we've been profitable in all 3 trades, but I never got the breakout to the all-time high. And that's what I'm looking for. It's got to be a break of 393 to 394. That's your resistance. You take that level out, watch for the low 390s to be support then. You might even get, let's say tomorrow we shoot to 395. You might pull it back to 393, and then look for support there. And then maybe you get that push to 400. So that's how I'm going to be looking to trade this stock tomorrow. And unless something crazy happens in the morning and we just drop like a rock off the bell, then maybe I won't take the trade, but I don't see that happening. I like the price action we got today. It's one of my top trade ideas going into tomorrow. Put my neck out there. We'll see if I'm right about this, but just know tomorrow, if you see the stock at 402, just know that most likely I am long that stock, and we'll go over it. We'll talk about it tomorrow. Now, actually, if you guys don't want to wait and you don't want to just see what happens, trade it with me live. Trade it with me live. You guys can come inside of our chat, okay, for 7 trading days. Join our trial. Trade with myself and the 8 other professional traders that are in True Trading Group. Join the 10,000 members from 115 different countries. See what all the rave is about. Okay, we have a 78% retention rate amongst our members. We have a less than 2.5% refund rate on our community, and we're 4.7 out of 5-star rated on Trustpilot with nearly 2,600 reviews. If you guys want to join our trial, come hang out, see how we operate. It's 7 trading days. So Thursday, the markets are closed. It doesn't count against your trial. It's 7 trading days. Saturday, Sunday do not count against your trial. It's 7 trading days, not 7 calendar days. Go to ttgthree.com. That's ttg3 spelled out.com. Enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, pay $3 and get your button chat. Now, I know what you're thinking. Whoa, why do you charge $3? Why isn't it a free trial? I'll tell you. We maintain a very high quality chat room during the day. Everybody's focused on one thing, and that's making money. I will not jeopardize that by having a bunch of people come into our chat room for free and just start spamming chat, being disruptive and distracting our members from accomplishing that goal. By charging you $3, it ensures that you are a real person, that you're serious about this, and if you are, we're serious about having you. There is no automatic renewal. There's no automatic upgrade in case you forget to cancel your trial. We don't play games like that. I'm not going to charge you an annual membership if you don't want to be an annual member of True Trading Group. You have to manually, through your trial dashboard, if you want, upgrade yourself to become an annual member. It doesn't just happen on its own. It is a one-time payment of $3. There's no automatic renewal. There's no recurring fee. There's no automatic upgrade. After your 7 trading days are up, it just simply expires. You'd never charge anything again. It'd be the best damn $3 you ever spent in your life. I got my Starbucks today. It was like $5.60. You've all spent more than $3 for a cup of coffee. This will be the best damn $3 you ever spent in your life. So go to ttgthree.com Enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, pay $3, get your butt in chat, and let's see if this trade triggers for us tomorrow. See if we can make some money together. All right? So that's CrowdStrike. Now, I'll take you guys now. We'll kind of wrap the video up with a long-term portfolio idea that I have, and it's this overall sector. There's some stocks that I already own, but one of which I'm probably going to be adding to over the next couple of weeks or maybe a couple of months, depending on what the markets give me. But I want to have a discussion with you guys real quick about the software side of the AI boom. Because over the last year, all of the AI hype has been centered around hardware, meaning semiconductor chips, right? We all know what has gone on with NVIDIA, right? Which we own very proudly at True Trading Group. We've been very outspoken public bulls on NVIDIA since 2020. We bought it in 2020. We bought it again in 2022. We bought more in 2023. I haven't bought any in 2024. Just been letting that position run. But we all know what happened to NVIDIA, right? We all know, what's gone on with AMD. We all know what's gone on with Broadcom, right? You guys are seeing, so we all know what happened to SMCI. Okay, we know what has happened with the semiconductor space, even the SMH ETF, which is semiconductor ETF. You can see what that stock has done, right? That's where the focus has been in the AI space. CEOs, CFOs, they are allocating their spend as it relates to AI on building out the infrastructure that they need in order to operate all the different AI functionalities or whatever it is that individual company is doing. There has not been a lot of that money, that AI investment has not found its way into the software space. I think that's going to change over the next year. Now, one stock that I own, full disclosure, from just under $117 in the long-term portfolio is Snowflake. Now, I bought Snowflake back in 2022. I loved Snowflake. I bought it in 2022. We were, I bought it at $116.84 or something like that. And in 2024, this year, we were all the way up at $235. I was up 100% of the position. I was killing it, was happy with it. I'm like, this is great. And then they announce earnings and the CEO walks away from the company. And the CEO, doesn't walk away from the company, but steps down as from his role as CEO. I really hated that, because I really liked the CEO, and a big part of when I invest in long-term portfolio stocks, it has a lot to do with management. Guys, when you invest in a company, you're investing in management. Doesn't matter how good a company's product or service is. If they do not have a competent management to bring it to market effectively and efficiently, the stock will not perform. So management has a big part to do. I mean, it's why I loved NVIDIA and AMD for so long, because I love the CEOs. I love Jensen Huang. I love Lisa Su. I love them as CEOs, right? That's why I've been, such a big component of those names because of that. So I didn't want to add to Snowflake while the stock was really selling off in March and April. It even sold off again in May and June. And the reason why this stock has done poorly is because all of that AI spend has not found its way to software. Okay. A lot of these software companies just have not done what the semiconductor stocks have done. Like, you take a look at a stock of Snowflake, take a look at a stock of Datadog. Like, you can see we're nowhere near those 2021 all-time highs, right? You can see Datadog all-time high is, almost is $200. We're at 130. Right? Snowflake, that all-time high is 400. We're all the way down at 143. I'm sorry, all-time high on Snowflake is actually 428. So you're all the way down at 142. So these stocks have not done well. And it's because that AI spend has not made it to software. But here's what I want you to think about. And here's why I'm bullish on Snowflake and Datadog over the next couple of years. I need you to think about it like this. And I heard somebody actually use this analogy. I thought it was fantastic. I thought it was a great way of explaining this concept. When you think about AI, I want you to think about it in the sense of building a house. When you build a house and you have to pour, the concrete foundation, then you have the wood framing, right? That is the hardware. That's the semiconductor chip. You need the semiconductor chip in order to develop the AI functionality, right? you need the wood framing and the concrete foundation in order to build a house. But once the house is built, you have to furnish it and decorate it. That's where the software side comes in. That's where a company like Snowflake comes in. That's where a company like Datadog comes in. I want you to think of the wood framing and the concrete foundation like semiconductors, NVIDIA, AMD, right? SMCI, Broadcom, Qualcomm, all your semiconductor names. You think of them as the framing and the foundation. Then I want you to think of Snowflake and Datadog as the couch and the painting on the wall, right? Now you need all of those components. You need the foundation, you need the wood framing, you need the couch, you need the painting, you need the kitchen table and chairs, you need the bedroom set in order to make a home. The AI investment and the AI spend, I think, is going to shift over the next year or two as companies are getting their hands on as many of these semiconductor chips as they possibly can. But then they're going to have to then start implementing the software side. So I think that these stocks have underperformed the AI hype for the last year or two. But I think that changes in the next year or two. I like Snowflake. I like Datadog. I own both. I own Snowflake from just under 117, and I own Datadog in the 80s. Okay, I didn't get it more down here in 2023 when it was at 65. I wish I did, but I bought it. I snagged Datadog right there. Okay, so right in the mid 80s, like 85, something like that is where I own Datadog from. Okay, and I like I like where I think the shift is going to come from in this AI space. Okay, so Snowflake, Datadog, two stocks. Again, I already own, but two stocks that I'm most likely going to be adding to in the near future. And these are going to be long-term holds. I'm not saying I'm buying them because I think they're going to go up in the next week. They're going to go up in the next month. I mean, these are stocks I'm going to hold for the next probably 5, 7, 10 years, right? But I just want to explain to you, an idea that I've been, coming up with over the last couple of days. I shared this with our members inside True Trading Group today, and I figured it would be a great chance for me to share this concept with you here on the YouTube channel. All right. But again, you guys can get notified whenever the moderators enter stuff in the long-term portfolio. You can get notified in real time when we enter day trades or swing trades, when we take profit, when we exit day trades and swing trades. You guys can get notified in real time through our mobile app. You don't even have to be in front of your computer. 82% of our members have a full-time job, meaning they work over 40 hours a week. So you download the mobile app. It's free when you become a member. It's also free as a trial member. So you guys become a trial member of our community. You download the mobile app, iPhone, Android, whatever. You can see the screen share, listen to the audio commentary as the mods and I talk to you during the day. But most importantly, get the real-time push notifications when our orders execute. So this way you can follow along with everything that we're doing, even though you're not in front of your computer. Go to ttgthree.com. That's ttg3 spelled out.com. Enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, pay the $3, and get your butt in chat